What is the largest rainforest in the world? A. Congo rainforest. B. Amazon rainforest. C. Asian rainforest. D. Daintree rainforest. The answer is B. Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest spans 9 countries in South America and covers over 5.5 million square kilometers. It is often called the lungs of the earth because of its vast contribution to producing oxygen and absorbing. Which of these animals is the fastest on land? A. Cheetah. B. Antelope. C. Leopard. D. Kangaroo. The answer is A. Cheetah. The cheetah is the fastest land animal, capable of reaching speeds of up to 70 miles per hour in short bursts covering distances up to 500 meters. Which bird has the largest wingspan? A. Bald eagle. B. Wandering albatross. C. Andean condor. D. Golden eagle. The answer is B. Wandering albatross. The wandering albatross has a wingspan of up to 11 feet, making it the largest of any bird. These majestic birds are expert gliders, capable of traveling long distances across the ocean. Which is the largest desert in the world? A. Sahara Desert. B. Antarctic Desert. C. Gobi Desert. D. Arabian Desert. The answer is B. Antarctic Desert. Though people often think of hot deserts like the Sahara, the Antarctic Desert is the largest, covering about 14 million square kilometers. Deserts are defined by their dryness, not temperature. What is the smallest bird in the world? A. Sparrow. B. Finch. C. Kiwi. D. Hummingbird.
Your leg won't slow me down. Strategy sharp, never mess around.
The answer is D. Hummingbird. The bee hummingbird, found in Cuba, is the smallest bird in the world. It weighs less than 2 grams and is known for its rapid wing movement, which allows it to hover. Let me know how many you got correctly in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic videos.